Hey everybody, I'm Silverwolf and I've got something special for you guys today. I will be unboxing an original 90s Furby, 20 years after they were released. My friend Serge Stiles found this Furby in an estate sale and sent it to me to unbox, and basically it's in its packaging and it's all perfect, it's never been opened, and also it's called Foxolate because it's kind of foxy and a bit chocolatey as well, so Foxolate. So big shout out to Serge, thank you so much for sending me this, and I'm putting links to all your galleries and Tumblr and Twitter and everything in the description, so I suggest that everyone goes and looks at Serge's art because it's awesome and they've got a really unique style and really nice characters as well. So I've also got a few other shout outs to do to Sunny13, a Furby caretaker, Michael Ewing TV Kid Gaming, Dogmeat aka Daydo, I don't know if Dogmeat's changed their channel name yet, Derek Figueroa and Sam Brown. So yeah, once again, thank you so much Serge for this. This is absolutely awesome. I never thought I'd get the opportunity to unbox a 90s one. In fact, the only 90s Furby I've ever had in its box was one I bought back in the 90s that I had to send back, so obviously I never kept the packaging or anything like that because it malfunctioned, and so I had to send it back. Most of you know that story anyway. So let's get started with this unboxing. First of all, we'll take a look at the packaging. Now the packaging back then was quite interesting actually, and it was quite clever, I think it was anyway. The box is in the shape of, I believe it's not an octagon, it's a hexagon, isn't it? The 5-sided one. Is that a hexagon? Oh, I'm terrible at maths. I'm terrible at shapes. But anyway, so we've got the shape of the box is this shape here. I don't think it's a hexagon either. I sound like an idiot now. Anyway, moving on. So yeah, so we've got this unusually shaped box, and we've got the front part here with the plastic showing off the Furby, so you can see it pretty much from every angle, which is nice. The newer Furbies all come kind of like in a box, and you can't actually see the toy inside. So it's nice that it shows them off like this. So around here we've got various bits of writing. So it says, the more you play with me, the more I do. I will keep amazing you. I speak my own language, Furbish. And then we've got some really retro pictures of kids here from the 90s. Electronic Furby. I can dance. I can wiggle my ears, blink my eyes and move my mouth. You can teach me to do tricks. And then on the back here we've got the story of Furby. I'll just put this up quite close, so if you want you can pause it. I'm not going to read it out because it'll take quite a long time. People might get bored. But also, interestingly, Tiger recommends Duracell. So the original Furbies, they recommended Duracell for these, which is what I use in mine. I use Duracell and Energizer. So, in fact, I'm going to be putting some Duracell in the Furby today. And on the other side we've got some girls here with their Furbies. I can communicate with other Furbies and teach them games, songs and tricks. Love me and I'll love you back. Let's play together. And then on the top it's got various different things. I can play games, dance and learn tricks. I can say more than 800 phrases. Now this actually surprised me because I'm not sure if they actually can say more than 800 phrases. I mean, maybe, I've never counted. But how true is that? It must be true if they put it on the packaging, surely. But I don't know. Anyone got any sort of like proof that they can do that? I don't know. Teach me, play with me, care for me and love me. The first Geiger pet you can really pet. And it says, the more you play with me, the more I do, I will keep amazing you. And the bottom of it actually is pretty much the same. So, I've got my scissors so that I can cut the tape at the top. The old packaging was done up with tape here, a couple of bits here, and a little bit there as well. And it had one sort of part that was connected, so you could just fold it back. So just cut this tape off here. And here. I normally do this with my fingernails actually, but I don't think that's going to work today. The scissors are a bit big to get into this right here. I'll just move it away from the camera so I can actually cut off the rest of the tape. So there we go, we've got it all out now. So it's got these little bits here that just come away like that. thumbnail in there. There we go. So then we can open it up. Don't tell me there's more tape. Oh no, there isn't. I thought there was more tape. There isn't. It's fine. And there we see the Furby inside. So I'm thinking this whole thing lifts out like this. Or maybe not. Is it stuck down? Yeah, I can't actually get the Furby out. It's stuck at the bottom. Does that mean I have to... Oh, I see. Right, okay, so I've undone all this, but actually the bottom part of the inside section holding the Furby is stuck with sticky tape right there, as you can see. So I'll just take that off. Right, I think I've done this a little bit at the wrong sort of thing. This whole cardboard thing here is actually stuck in with glue, so I'm going to have to open the bottom so that I can undo the tags on Furby and get him out from the bottom. So I'll just do that. Okay, now I can open this bit and we can see, oh, there's loads of little booklets in here. And there are his tags, so we'll untie those. Okay, we've got them all untied now. So we should be able to lift Foxolate out of the box. And so I'll just show you what it's like lifting him out. He'll come out. Probably not, you know. There we go, we've got tags around his feet here, so just unhook his feet like that. And the back tag is probably... Oh, there we go, you got it. He is free, there we go. So put the box to one side. Okay, so there he is. He's a little bit... And we've got these here. So we've got the Furbish in English dictionary. Our new arrival, Furby babies. Now he is a 4th generation Coffee Furby, in case you were wondering. So this was obviously before Furby babies came out. I'm not quite sure on what generation of original Furbies they came out. Maybe it was between the 4th and the 5th. But the Furby babies were obviously quite new then. And there's the instruction manual for him too. So, just make sure the tag is taken out. Now the last tag you can see is wrapped around him right here. So I'm going to just pull that out. Now it might be an idea actually, instead of pulling it out, to just get the scissors and cut it like that. So then you can just pull it out like that. There. So there he is. Now, I'll put some batteries in him and we can activate him. Okay, so he's got his batteries in. However, he's not saying anything, so I think it's time to press the reset button and see if we can get him to wake up. He still isn't saying anything. But have no fear, I will get him to work. Okay, he says his name is May, but his nickname is still Foxolate. So there we go. Now, his gears had dropped because he had been sat in the box for so long, so I basically did the whole thing of giving him a good shake and a good smack upside down and things like that, and got him working again. So this is what a Furby looks like out of the box, and he speaks mostly Furbish as well because he hasn't learned English yet. Tummy sensor is a little bit sticky, I think. Back sensor works well. Oh, there we go. His tummy sense is okay, it's just right down here. He's very hungry. Probably because he's been asleep for 20 years. So, over time he will pick up English. They're supposed to learn, but it actually unlocks the more you play with them. So that is the learning aspect of the Furby. So I've actually got 4 adult 90s Furbies now. And I'll work on sort of like playing with him and teaching him English as well. So now you've seen a 90s Furby being unboxed. And I'm hoping also that they will do something for the 20th anniversary of Furby as well, because obviously they came out 20 years ago this year. So I'm hoping, and I think we all are hoping, that they'll maybe release an anniversary Furby or something. It was nice that they did so many special editions of the 90s Furbies actually, because they were cute with their little outfits and things. So I'm hoping maybe they'll do something like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and also, once again, thank you so much to my friend Serge Stiles as well. That's totally awesome, and I never thought I'd have the opportunity to unbox a brand new one like this. So thank you for sending him to me. He's got a good home. And that's all for this time, and I will see you next time. And don't forget, if you want to see some related videos, click the boxes that come up on my video here. And this is Silverwolf signing off.